I think it's the suspended gondola is moving somewhere in the. I think it's the suspended gondola is moving somewhere in 30th floor, I believe. Okay, once again I'll come back to that precast site. You can see the tower crane here. This is the boom barrier. The tip will carry around 5 tons. When you come towards the vertical support, it can lift more than 9 tons. The difference here 9 tons, it will be 5 tons here. These are the counterweights. You can see that the poke line jackhammer breaking all the rocks into pieces. And this is one of the tower crane also, the third tower crane. You can see here the precast wall panel being lifted from the tower crane, and it is moved to the spot. From first floor onwards, we are using the precast wall panels there to complete the unit there. Even the slab will be precast here. You can see here the wall panel being lifted. And these are the podium columns. So this is the footing, individual footing. This is the podium slab. You can see the first floor. Already the unit is getting ready there. In 1 week time, I can complete 8 units. Whereas if I be using the normal construction, the brick wall construction, I think it will take a lot of time. It is if you have more number of units, say for example, if you are building 3,000 units, 2,000 units, the precast wall technology, you'll have to use it. Then only you can achieve your construction time schedule. And you can see the podium, the first floor, the units getting ready. Now what I am showing is the 4 towers there. This is one of the tower, the second tower, third tower, fourth tower. See, you can see here the 2 tower cranes. You cannot have your the boom barrier clashing each other. You should see that. See, the boom barrier will turn 360 degree. You cannot have the same level and that whatever the distance. Say for example, if it is 50 meter, you have the 50 meter radius, and that you have to place the boom barriers, and it should not clash against each other. And this is the individual footings here. See the wall panel here. The precast wall panel. One fine day will come, you will be doing a precast house ready, you will just lift it up, put it on above floor. I think even that one fine day that will also come. The units you can see here. See the wall is getting ready. The podium. Yes. Say this is the one of the unit where you can see that the wall is already ready there. This is called the Becker rod for just placement, and the bottom portion you will grout it with a Sika grout, and many phosphor products are available. Say this is one of the wall. This is the perpendicular wall. You can see the balconies. You will have a sunken slab there. Of course, your electrical conduiting, everything will be ready-made fitted into this precast wall. See, this is the sunken portion of the toilets. You can see the plumbing line here. See the wall, the precast wall getting fitted into the unit here. In the 90 degree, you will be casting this with the grout. These are the photos showing the precast wall panels fitted on spot. Here you can see the safety features. You can see the safety helmet, the safety jacket. This guy is also using the safety shoes. And here you can use the footing itself as a base for the rocky profile. You can use as the footing itself here. And coming back, you can see the footing resting on the rock profile. See once again, I showed that slides earlier. The poke line jackhammers breaking the rocks into pieces here.
Wow.
The precast wall panel ready to fix. As I said, there are 4 towers here. See the first floor, all the units getting fixed by the precast wall panels. These are the compressors breaking the rocks. The poke line jackhammer. This is a sewage treatment plant. You know, the depth is almost more than 19 to 20 meters. We are almost 60 feet below the ground level. Here safety plays a vital role, very important role. Without safety features, you will see the soil will collapse, and anybody doing the shuttering will also be in danger. The precast factory. The cage, the wall panels cage. See, these are the molds. The cage. The precast staircase here. The precast wall panels ready. You know, they'll be using M70 grade concrete. You can t-shirt within 3-4 days. The wall panels ready. See, these are the platform where you will keep the cage and where you will pour your high-grade concrete. These are the magnetized. The cages you can see inside the formwork, the platform. Where these are some double provisions to interlock the wall panels. See, this is one of the wall panel. This aluminum foil or the interlocking for the next elements. The wall panel getting ready there. It's already concreted, ready to lift it up and fix it on the site. The gantry where it will move horizontally. The batching plant. Here you can see with Lion Nagesh Patel with all this safety jacket and helmet. Say this is where the concrete is. It's called concrete shaker. It is from Holland, Germany. The precast, the staircase, formwork, the mold. This is Sika where you will. It's grouted. When you finish, this will be the building. This is of 19 towers. And coming to the commercial building, this is a facade. Okay, I think I'll restrict my talk. I think already all my students are getting exhausted with my boring talks, I believe. Was it interesting? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for Raghunandan ji for providing me the opportunity. I thank Professor Durraj. I thank my colleague Kannan for providing me this wonderful opportunity to deliver my first lecture. This was my first lecture. Thank you. Thanks once again, my dear students.